The Ultimea Poseidon D50 Series is a 5.1 soundbar system that offers excellent sound quality and performance for its price. It is a good choice for anyone looking to upgrade their TV's audio without spending a lot of money. The Ultimea Poseidon D50 Series consists of a soundbar, a wireless subwoofer, and two rear speakers that can be placed at the front or back of the room depending on your preference. The soundbar has a sleek and compact design that measures 15.7 inches in length and 2.8 inches in height. It features three 2.25 inches full-range drivers that deliver clear and balanced sound across the frequency spectrum. The soundbar also supports Dolby Digital and DTS decoding, as well as three sound modes: movie, music, and news. You can easily switch between these modes using the remote control or the buttons on the soundbar. The wireless subwoofer has a 5.25 inches driver that produces deep and punchy bass. The subwoofer connects to the soundbar via Bluetooth, so you don't have to worry about any wires or cables. The subwoofer has a stylish design that matches the soundbar, with a black mesh grille and a silver Ultimea logo. The rear speakers are wired to the subwoofer, and they have a 2.25 inches full-range driver each. They can be placed on stands or mounted on the wall using the included brackets. The rear speakers add an extra dimension of surround sound to your audio experience, creating a more realistic and immersive atmosphere. The Ultimea Poseidon D50 Series offers multiple connectivity options for your devices. It has an HDMI IRC port that allows you to connect it to your TV using a single cable and control it with your TV remote. It also has an optical input, an aux input, and a USB input for other audio sources. Additionally, it supports Bluetooth 5.3 for wireless streaming from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe to the channel would mean a lot to me. That tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. And don't forget to like the video, as it helps reach a wider audience and really supports the channel. The Ultimea Poseidon D50 Series delivers impressive performance for its price range. It produces crisp and clear dialogue, dynamic and detailed music, and powerful and immersive sound effects. The soundbar has a wide soundstage that fills the room with sound, while the subwoofer adds depth and impact to the low frequencies. The rear speakers enhance the surround sound effect by creating a more spacious and enveloping sound field. The Ultimea Poseidon D50 Series handles different types of content well, thanks to its three sound modes. The movie mode boosts the bass and treble to create a more cinematic sound experience, while the music mode balances the sound for a more natural and accurate reproduction of music genres. The news mode enhances the clarity of speech and reduces background noise for better intelligibility of dialogue and narration. The Ultimea Poseidon D50 Series also supports Dolby Digital and DTS decoding, which are two of the most common formats for surround sound content. These formats allow the soundbar to decode the audio signal from your TV or other devices and deliver it to the appropriate speakers for optimal surround sound quality. The Ultimea Poseidon D50 Series has a sleek and elegant design that blends well with any home decor. The soundbar has a black metal body with a matte finish that gives it a sleek look and feel. The front of the soundbar has a black mesh grille that covers the top of the soundbar has 5 buttons for power, source, volume up, and volume down. The back of the soundbar has all the ports and connectors neatly arranged. The subwoofer has a similar design as the soundbar, with a black metal body and a black mesh grille on the front. The back of the subwoofer has a power switch, a power cord input, and input ports for connecting the rear speakers. The subwoofer is compact enough to fit under most furniture or in any corner of the room. The rear speakers have a simple and minimalist design that matches the rest of the system. They have black plastic bodies with silver Ultimea logos on the top. They also have rubber feet on the bottom to prevent them from sliding or scratching your surfaces. The rear speakers are small and lightweight enough to be placed anywhere in your room without taking up much space. They connect to the subwoofer via RCA cables and can be placed at the front or back of the room depending on your preference. Now, let's see some of its pros and cons. Pros: excellent sound quality for the price. HDMI ARC support. Multiple sound modes. Affordable price and easy to use. Cons: bass could be a bit deeper. The Ultimea Poseidon D50 Series is an excellent value for money product that offers high-quality surround sound at an affordable price point. It is easy to set up and use thanks to its wireless connectivity and simple controls. It is compatible with most TVs and devices thanks to its multiple inputs and outputs. It is versatile enough to handle different types of content thanks to its 3 sound modes and Dolby Digital and DTS decoding. It is stylish enough to complement any home decor thanks to its sleek and elegant design. The Ultimea Poseidon D50 Series is a great choice for anyone looking for a 5.1 surround sound system that delivers a powerful and immersive audio experience without breaking the bank. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.